Today we're going to be cooking up with this crazy female producer from Italy called Reversal. Makes the craziest trap beats. So I'm going to hand this thing over to her, let her cook up a fire sample. I'm going to try and flip it into a beat. Let's go.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I asked prodllb to make the drums. Let's go. I have an idea in my mind. Let's start with setting the BPM. Maybe 160. Ctrl Q for quantize. Copy and paste. Now I add parts. Maybe up. Okay, I make some changes in the end of the melody. Now I choose a bass from this bank. I like this. Now I consolidate only the top melody, and I want to create a manual halftime. I stretch the melody up to 17. Okay, perfect. I switch the mode to resample. And I add a crystallizer to give a nice texture to the sample. Push it up to a semitones. And I adjust the mix. I consolidate all the tracks and I make a quick arrangement. I take the top melody again, I make unique, and I double the speed. I take the first part of the melody, then I take the second part to make a variation at the end. And pass. Oh my god, it sounds like a crazy violinist is playing. In the last part I pitch it up 5 semitones. Okay, now let's see the result. Now it's the drums time.
Alright, real quick before we start flipping this sample, I just wanted to let you guys know that Image Line, the guys that made FL Studio, are running a huge end of year sale that's running until the 8th of January, where you can get between 25 to 50% off all of the FL Studio editions, and they come with lifetime updates, and you can also get 37% off FL Cloud. Definitely check it out, I'll leave a link in the description below, and if you don't want to spend any money getting FL Studio, then I've got you, man. I'm running a giveaway for a brand new kit that I'm going to be dropping. It's going to be called the Treasury Multi-Genre Drum Kit. There's going to be 4 brand new kits across 4 genres, all piled into one huge kit. And part of that giveaway is that there's going to be 3 free licenses for the FL Studio Producer Edition with lifetime updates. And there's also going to be 3 free copies of that Treasury Multi-Genre Drum Kit up for grabs as well. It's completely free to enter. All you gotta do is just head over to my Instagram, check the post that's linked in the description, follow a couple of easy steps, and you'll be locked into the giveaway, man. But yeah, other than that, man, let's get cooking up. Wow, it's fire, man. It's got that kind of like, it's got that kind of like synthy, brassy, like ethereal kind of vibe to it. Yeah, I'm fucking with this, man. Let's go chop it up. So yeah, man, let's just get this in the mixer, turn this to stretch, slow it down, like 135. Let's try halftime in it. Mess with the pitch. Yeah, it's kind of hard. That part of the sample's crazy. We could even go like yeet kind of style with this beat. Or we just reverse it as well. Okay, that's kind of hard. Okay, we're getting somewhere now, man. We're getting somewhere. I think this melody just needs just a bit of reverb on it. Okay, man, let's get some drums in. Let's get a clap. That's hard. Could even just do it after every bar. Yeah, I like that. Okay, man, let's get a bounce. Get some hi-hats in, man. Just go yeet style. Just kind of do it all the way across for now, and then we'll just add some like chops in here and there. It's kind of nice. Complements the clap. Yeah, we'll kind of keep this one simple. Simple. Time for the 808, I think, man. Just get like a nice prominent one in. Let's come into the Anthurium multi-kit. Yeah, this is the one, man. That's a nasty 808 right there. Just make sure they don't like fall into each other. Man, that's kind of hard just by itself. Trying to think if it needs anything else, but man, I don't even think it does. Maybe we could just take like those main chords in this sample, just pitch them up an octave in like the B part of the melody. Yeah, that's nice. Man, that's kind of crazy, like very minimal amount of sounds in these drums so far, but like, I don't know, I feel like we just got the bounce already. I honestly can't really hear anything else in this. Maybe if I do that slow build up, you know, like the tempo just kind of like slowly increases, like a tape start. How the hell do we do that? Let's figure it out.
Reverse tape stops have never been more easy. Once you open this up, pull the slow down all the way down.
Okay, bounce this part out, tape stop on, turn this all the way down, then record it into Edison. Okay, got that, and then we just pull it back in, and then reverse it, and it should do it. Boom, and then it goes into it. That's crazy. And then we'll just put like a riser, like a transition, just to blend the two together. Coming to the Zenith kit, got some crazy risers in here. Oh, that's hard. Let's just get this arranged properly then. Crazy beat. The snare, man, crunchy. Clap is catchy. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Ooh. Hey. Yeah, you guys let me know what you think in the comments. Be sure to go check out Reversal as well. We did a similar thing on her channel. I cooked up a sample, she flipped it into a beat. I made a banger out of it. So yeah, go check that one out. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this one, people. Peace.